How to make Instagram account private account. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your Instagram account private account. So before starting the video, so I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, go to Play Store, and then here you have to search for Instagram, and then make sure to update your Instagram if your Instagram is asking for any kind of update. After updating your Instagram, what you need to do is that you have to go to Instagram app, or you have to go to Instagram app, and then here this type of interface will be pop up. So what you need to do is that you have to click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner, just tap on it, and then here this type of interface will be pop up. So what you need to do is that you have to click on these 3 days on the top right corner, and then here you have to click on settings and privacy. Okay, simply click on settings and privacy. You scroll down and here you will get one option that is account privacy. Simply click on this option, and then here you have to allow this. Okay, enable this, and then here you can see switch to private account. Just tap on it, and then your account is now private account. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.